Good morning, everybody. I hope that you were able to sleep in and you are all doing well, staying away from each other. I am just sending you out this little intro video to kind of show you what to expect from me. I will be sending out you these video links. Okay, so like here's our first chapter that we'll be going through, and we're not going to go through it yet, not till the 30th. But I will have the lecture here and I'll talk you through it just like I normally do. Okay, when we get to the end, we have a video, and you can watch this video on your own because you all have a digital copy of this book, or we can watch it together.
The sun is both huge and hot.
The sun is both huge and hot.
But what else do we know about its basic anatomy?
Pause that, and then we are going to be discussing the questions that come after the video. Sometimes we'll have an assignment, and maybe there'll be a document up here that I'll talk you through. And any questions that come in, if we have an assignment and everybody has the same kind of questions, then I can address it in this way as well. Just wanted to let you know kind of what to expect. Stay tuned. We'll all get through this. Be safe out there.